Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to get your IBAN number from Soneri Bank. First of all, make sure you have your account number handy. You can use Soneri Bank's IBAN generator on their official website, or you can also use bank.codes, this website. After that, click IBAN, then click IBAN calculator, generate. After that, select your country name. After scroll down, write Sony. Then you write the 16 characters numbers here. Then click generate IBAN. Now you can see here your IBAN number has been created. And that's it. You have successfully get the IBAN number of Soneri Bank. Thanks for watching.